is a good wind turbine. It's so simple in design, it's almost ridiculous. But I have to paint it and make it look a little bit better. But I think I got the blades and everything just right. It keeps the center of gravity on it really good, so it spins ultra fast. And now you can see the capacitor bank that I have hooked up to it. And these lights will light up when it gets going really good, but I'm very pleased, man. We haven't had decent wind in like days. I was starting to lose faith in it, but it's definitely awesome. So the wires go from this all the way down to here. Go around there. There. Up. And around. Across the top of that there. Out to the side. And right into the house. Which of course leads on to the blue thingy that you've seen, which lights up. So I guess that was my daytime video. Thanks for watching.